Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use your existing clamp with your Kreg Junior Pocket-Hole Jig, and also I'll be showing the clamp in action. The items that you will need are a regular bar clamp, wire or a strong cord, a drill with a 3/32 or a 7/64 size bit. So let's get started. So the modification is quite simple. All you need is to bore 2 holes into the pocket hole jig and run a wire through it and then connect it to your clamp. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I already have a clamp and I didn't want to spend any more money to buy another one just to hold on my workpiece. So modifying the clamp will be much easier and cheaper. So I'm going to reconnect the plate back onto the jig, and then I'm going to remove the rubber piece from the clamp. This is usually the piece that is used to protect your workpiece, like when you're using the clamp. However, it is not needed for this purpose. So I'm going to run the wires through the clamp and connect the jig onto it. Now that I'm finished making the clamp, I'm going to show you the clamp in action and how easy it is to use. So that is my DIY Kreg jig clamp. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.